This is a CS2400 Project 5 screencast video done by Coding Till We Die. My name is Kevin.
My name is Sean.
My name is Himeo.
Alright, so first off, we're going to start by running the demo of our driver for this program. And as you can see, what is here is the built graph that's given to us in the project. And here you can see the breadth first traversal and then the depth first traversal of that graph, right? And so basically, in this main method, we create a given graph by setting the labels and adding edges. And then we perform a breadth first traversal on this graph starting at vertex A and then display the vertices in order in which they are visited. We also perform a depth first traversal on the same graph while starting at vertex A and then display the vertices in order they were traveled in. That's it for GraphDriver.java.
Here in graph.java, we have decided to use Adjacency Matrix in order to represent our graph. So we have edges, which is an array of Boolean arrays. This private data member is used to signify whether there is an edge between those two vertices. We also have labels, which is an array to store the labels for each vertex. And finally, we have an array for visited vertices to clarify which vertices have been visited and the counter that is used to keep track of the number of visited vertices. And moving on to the methods, we have decided to implement both get breadth first traversal and the get depth first traversal methods in this class. Get breadth first traversal method will simply perform a breadth first traversal on the graph, starting at a vertex that was passed in as an argument by utilizing some queues and loops, and then return the traversal order. A depth first traversal method will perform a depth first traversal on the graph, starting at the same vertex by utilizing a queue for the resulting traversal order and a stack to hold the vertices as they were visited. It will continue to run as long as this vertex stack is not empty and then return the traversal order. We have also decided to implement other helper methods such as get unvisited neighbor, get label, get index, is visited, neighbors, as next neighbor, and etc. And that's it for graph.java.
So here's our graph test.java, and so in order to efficiently implement both the get breadth first traversal and depth first traversal methods, we had implemented the linked queue.java, link stack.java, and their interfaces. Moving on to the graph test, we utilize JUnit testing framework here to perform unit testing on different types of graphs that we have different numbers of labels and edges. And as you can see, we have created multiple of them, and we'll run them and try to test them here.
So
And
here's
as you can
the
see,
breadth first. And then here's the depth first. Alright, so that's it for Project 5, and thank you so much for watching.